Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how to install the Mendeley plugin in Microsoft Word 360. Now if you try to install via Mendeley Desktop or Mendeley Reference Manager Tools MS Word plugin installation, you will see this error, unable to install Mendeley Word plugin. Also, you have to make sure that your institution or your university is given you permission. If you are using a student account, to check that you can go to this install tab, then click on this get add-ins. Here if you see this message, if Office Store not available, unfortunately your organization has disabled access to the Office Store. Please contact your administrator to request access. To fix this, we can just go to Word, then click on this sign out. Now you can sign out, otherwise you can go to home, there will be an option you to sign out. Now go to insert tab, then click on this get add-ins. Start to type for Mendeley here. You will see this Mendeley site option. Click continue, it will be installed. Okay, now you can see this Mendeley site option. Alright, now I'm going to just open my Mendeley desktop again by closing it. I'm going to just try to install MS Word plugin, but it will show us a error again. Here it gave us a error. Now all you have to do is just open your applications folder. You can explore your Mendeley desktop or Mendeley reference manager. Right click on it, then click on this show package contents. Here go to contents. In the resources folder you will see this Mac Word plugin. Then you have to select the latest version which available here. Now copy this file. This is the latest version that showing me. I'm going to copy it. Then you can just start to type startup, right? If you scroll down, you will see some folder like start hyphen up. Yeah, I'm still searching. Here I found that folder. Actually that folder available in your login account in the Mac, then library folder, group containers, and then here the office or something like that, and inside user content. Go to there, go to Word, then put that file here. Okay, now you can just close your Mendeley, then open again. You can see now install MS Word plugin is invisible and uninstall MS Word plugin came into the place. Now if you open your Word, you can now click blank document, then see the citation option again, but those are invisible because you have to log in with your account. Click file, then close the window, open Word, then here you will see sign in option. I will log in with my account now. Then if we open the Word again, you will see that Mendeley tab is not visible there, but here we can open Mendeley. Also we can click on this insert or edit citation, search by author or something. Go to Mendeley, I will select this. Details are correct and click on cite. It will be added. Okay, now I will add again my library. Okay, I hope you can fix your account by this way, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if this helped you. Okay.